Hey YouTube, it's your girl Ashley and I am back to do another video for you guys. And this video is going to be on my favorite drugstore makeup product. This video I hope is going to be super short. I hope I don't ramble on, so please bear with me guys. Okay, so the first product I'm going to talk about is my absolute favorite foundation, and this is the Covergirl+Olay 2-in-1 foundation base tone rehab foundation, and it looks like this. If you guys can see that. And I got this from Rexall, but you could also get this product from Walmart or Target or any other pharmacy kind of drugstore kind of place. And yeah, I've been using this foundation for over a year now. I'm pretty sure it's like a year and a half now, and this foundation is so amazing. So what it is, it's pretty much a foundation plus a base in one. I know mine's is like done right now, that's why it looks like that, but when you do get this foundation, it's the color foundation mixed with white in it. And it's also a pump bottle foundation, so you just pump it like that. And this foundation actually really helps your face over time. I noticed that since I've been using this, my face has cleared up. I don't get a lot of breakouts, and my tone of my face has really started to light up. I've started to get one tone from like some of the dark spots that I used to have on my face. So I really love this foundation. It really has a flawless finish to it. Trust me, I'm wearing it right now and I love it. I'm in the color 175, which is soft sable. This is the second darkest color. They have 185, which is the darkest color, and a whole bunch of tones that is medium to light. So yes, my chocolate sisters can definitely give this a go. It's an amazing product, and I love how CoverGirl has teamed up with Olay to make a really good foundation that is also really good for your skin. So definitely love this product. The second product that I'm going to be talking about is also a CoverGirl and Olay product, and this is the concealer stick. And I apologize that mine looks a little ratchet. It is like almost done, so pretty much it looks like a lipstick almost, but it's a concealer stick. And that's how much of mine I have left, and I am in the color dark. I believe mine is dark. I believe mine is in the color dark. Honestly, I don't even remember what color I'm in because the bottom is like completely gone, but I'm pretty sure I'm in the color dark. And yeah, this is a great tool to use to fix up any little blemishes you have. I usually use this underneath my eye. Well, I used to use this underneath my eye until I got my e.l.f. complete coverage concealer palette, but I do use these around my eyebrows to give my eyebrows a nice finish. And my eyebrows might look a little ratchet right now because I have been out all day, but yeah, I really love this product. It is super easy to use, and if you are a beginner of makeup, this is the perfect product to use to highlight your face. You can just get it in a tone lighter than your skin color, and definitely use this to highlight your face. It'll be a lot easier than, you know, a cream based or liquid based concealer. So yeah, I really love this product. And this you can also get in like a local drugstore or Walmart, Target, and etc. Two other products I'm going to be talking about are lipsticks, and they are both from Revlon. And they're lipsticks. They're Revlon Color Burst Lip Butter lipsticks, and I have two here, and these are my two favorite ones. This one is a nice nude color, and this is Pink Truffle, and I'm actually wearing it on my lips right now. But I am wearing a e.l.f. nude lip pencil on top of it, so it definitely brightened it up. But for the most part, it looks like this. And the second one that I have is called Berry Smoothie. It's a really pretty pink color, and they look like this. So I'll show you the bottom of them. And this one. So yeah, I really love these colors. They're really moisturizing for your lips. I put this on when I'm doing my makeup. The lips are so hydrated, and it gives your lips that beautiful touch of color, which is amazing. So these are definitely great lipstick products to use. The last product that I'm going to talk about is my Great Lash Mascara, and oh my god, I love this product. I am so upset that I hopped on the Great Lash bandwagon so late. I've seen this mascara for so many years and I've never bought it. And then one time I was at work and they were on sale for like $3 and I was like, okay, let me just buy it because I needed a mascara. And oh my gosh, this is like the most amazing mascara I've ever used. I love this mascara. The wand is nice and small, so it really helps to get all of your eyelashes. And this is what the wand looks like. Just like that. And it gets every lash on your top and bottom lash line. And I also use them in my fake eyelashes and my falsies. And oh my god, they help my false eyelashes look so natural because it has that nice mascara look. So yeah, this is a great lash, the infamous pink and lime green mascara. Love it. So yeah guys, that's it for my favorite drugstore products for in terms of makeup. These products are used in my everyday makeup routine, except for the lipsticks. I don't wear both of the lipsticks on the same day, but I'm definitely wearing one of those lipsticks on a day-to-day basis. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please do not forget to like and subscribe. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Okay. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.